Everybody's having a good day. Today's date, November the 5th, 2022. We're going to go to the Bible now and talk about the conviction and the verses I was led to for, what this most likely is about. We're in the book of Isaiah. We're in chapter 28. And that is Woe to Ephraim. And we're going to read a few verses starting in verse 1. Woe to the crown of pride, to the drunkards of Ephraim, whose glorious beauty is a fading flower, which are on the head of the fat valleys, of them who were overcome with wine. Verse 2. Behold, the Lord has a mighty and strong one, which is a tempest of hail and a destroying storm, as a flood of mighty waters, overflowing, shall cast down to the earth with the hand. Verse 3, the crown of pride and the drunkards of Ephraim shall be trodden under the feet. Isaiah chapter 28 verses 1 through 3 that I've read. We're going to look at some more. We're in the book of Jeremiah, chapter 11, and that is called Judah Has Broken the Covenant. I'm going to read you verse 11 in chapter 11, Jeremiah. Therefore thus saith the Lord, Behold, I will bring evil upon them, and they shall not be able to escape. Though they shall cry unto me, I will not hearken unto them. Jeremiah chapter 11, verse 11. And I had multiple dreams at this event, cannot be prayed away, nor restrained, nor will it be delayed anymore. We're in the book of Jeremiah, chapter 51, and I'm going to read you verse 1. Just note it, November the 5th, 11:5, or 51, verse 1, 5:11. And remember what I told you in those other videos. Roman calendar, March is the first month, 15th day, or the 315th day of the year it's pointing to. Jeremiah 51, verse 1. It says, Thus saith the Lord, Behold, I will raise up against Babylon, and against them who dwell in the midst of them who rise up against me, meaning the Lord, a destroying wind. And number 2 verse, it says, I will send fanners unto Babylon, who shall fan her and shall empty her land, for in the day of trouble they shall be against her round about. Jeremiah 51 verses 1 and 2. Yeah, I'm going to just say, much love everybody. There's various scriptures, where God would send, a destroying wind, and it's in Ezekiel chapter 13 and verse 13, I think. And 13, 11, something like that. Don't hold me on those exact numbers. I'm not sure. I'm going to look those up right quick in Ezekiel 13. I confirm that it is accurate in Ezekiel 13, 11. Say unto them which daub it with untempered mortar, that it shall fall, there shall be an overflowing shower, and you, O great hailstones, shall fall, and the stormy wind shall rend it. And then verse 13, Therefore thus saith the Lord, I will even rend the stormy wind in my fury, and there shall be an overflowing shower, my anger and great hailstones in my fury to consume it. And the wall that's talking about, you know, is the wall, you know, the protection, you know, of the false church. I'm going to say much love, everybody. Major storm. And 11/11, that's the 315th day of the year. Y'all, much love.